Welcome to the new studio. Today I'll be telling you how I got this amazing background going on. So as some of you may know, I've been wanting to redo my studio space for a while now. Finally got around to doing it, and this is what I came up with. Stay with me as I show you how I did it. Before, as you may recall, my background was quite plain, being a plain white wall, and I am anything but plain and white. Well, maybe white. The next step was asking for some help, which I always struggle with, but I asked for some help. We then starched the material to the wall. You heard me, starched. We literally got material, pinned it to the wall, got a bunch of liquid starch, and starched the crap out of it till it stuck to the wall. The scariest part for me was the seam, because we had to use two separate strips because of the wall size and the fabric and everything. That seam scared me for days. So we made a special trip just to IKEA to get these bookshelves. And of course, I found these little ceramic cacti that I absolutely love, so those were the first thing to go on the bookshelves. We also managed to put the bookshelves together without killing each other, so that's a plus. Once the bookshelves were made, the next step was attaching LED light strips to the back. We bought a couple strands offline, and we proceeded to just stick them to the back of the bookshelf. The corners were a challenge, but we did it. And the final step was placing the bookshelves where I wanted them, lighting them up, making sure they worked, and of course putting my cacti on there and all my little goodies. And now they're super cute and I love them. Overall, I think the studio turned out pretty well. I'm really excited to decorate these little shelves with all sorts of cute things. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to keep it creative, keep it weird, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Welcome to the new studio. Today I'll be giving you a little tour. I saw dog hair fly in my face.
Probably ain't going, huh?
That face. I turned to look at you and I realized how close I was.
Cool.
Thank you. Yay! It looks so good. Thank you. This is gonna be cool.